Ever wondered how your smartphone camera can take such stunning photos? Or how Google Images can find exactly what you're looking for just by analyzing a picture? The answer lies in the fascinating world of digital image processing. To unravel this, imagine a world where every image, every picture, every photograph you see is nothing more than a collection of individual pixels. Each of these pixels carries a value, representing a specific color. Together, these pixels form an intricate mosaic, which our eyes perceive as an image. This is the basic foundation of digital image processing. Now, how does this process work? It's quite simple, actually. Digital image processing involves three distinct steps: image acquisition, image enhancement, and image recognition. Firstly, image acquisition. This is when an image is captured, either through a camera or a scanner, and converted into a digital form. This digital image is composed of a matrix of pixels, with each pixel holding a unique value that signifies its color. Next, we have image enhancement. This is where the magic happens. Algorithms and filters are applied to the digital image to improve its quality or to extract valuable information. Want to remove that pesky red eye effect from your photos? Or perhaps increase the contrast for a more dramatic look? This is where image enhancement steps in. Lastly, we have image recognition. This is the process where the system identifies objects and features within the image. It's how Google can tell that the picture you uploaded is of a golden retriever, or how your phone's facial recognition can unlock itself just by seeing your face. So, to wrap things up, digital image processing is the art and science of manipulating and interpreting digital images. It starts with image acquisition, where an image is captured and converted into a digital form. Then comes image enhancement, where the image is improved or modified using various algorithms and filters. Lastly, the image recognition step allows the system to identify objects and features within the image. Remember, every beautiful photograph, every stunning visual effect, every successful image search is a testament to the power and potential of digital image processing. It's the invisible hero behind the scenes, making our digital world more vibrant, more engaging, and more intuitive. And this, my friends, is the fascinating world of digital image processing, demystified.